Fairly low case counts for a virus that doesn't spread nearly as easily as COVID, but if anxiety around monkeypox seems a bit low to you, you might not be talking with the right people.
Our Braden Ross found there is growing concern among certain groups, both over who might get sick and how the stigma surrounding it may bring additional risks.
Even with only 14 confirmed monkeypox cases in Wisconsin so far, and about 4,700 across the U.S., Dr. A.J. Sethi says there's a trend forming.
The risk is most proximal to men who have sex with men, and gay men should become very aware of what's circulating. I think most people are.
The virus most commonly transmits through skin-to-skin contact, and by and large, most cases have been seen in gay and bisexual men. But Sethi says everyone needs to pay attention.
Hey, you've got skin, therefore you are vulnerable to monkeypox. And we've already had 2 kids, getting infected in this country. And that's sort of proof that anybody can be vulnerable.
Sethi, an epidemiologist with UW-Madison, knows simply putting that trend out there without context can be dangerous.
If you are a gay man, you may not want to, and you haven't, you're not open about your sexuality. You might not want to really talk about it. You may not, if you have symptoms, you may not reveal it, and that's not helpful in caring for somebody's health and preventing any spread to other people.
For many in the LGBTQ community who went through the HIV/AIDS epidemic, this feels all too familiar.
Framing discussions around a disease as only affecting a certain group of people can be really harmful both to the people in that group and then to the broader community that suddenly thinks, oh, I don't have to worry about that. That's just a gay men's problem.
AJ Hardy is the program director at Outreach LGBTQ Community Center here in Madison. But despite the stigma, Hardy and others are focused on a fix, getting vaccinated.
Goal here is to ramp up that supply so that if the virus spreads more, then people can get vaccinated.
For News 3 Now, I'm Braden Ross.
Today, Wisconsin expanded eligibility for the monkeypox vaccine. It now includes gay and bisexual men. If you are in a high-risk group, there are steps you can take to avoid monkeypox. Head to channel3000.com to learn more.